So let's see how good this turns out. This is the first time doing this. By the way, I do have a GoPro HD, the one that doesn't have an external microphone connection. So what I did was actually I wired my own. I opened up the GoPro and I just wired I disconnected the microphone completely, and I used my PC fan wires to actually hook it up to the microphone, and then maybe I'll do a video later how I did that, which I can't really show you on the motorcycle right now. Maybe you can see the wires heading out. And it is possible to disconnect the microphone, so I didn't leave it so it's always hooked up. So I, for example, if it's raining or something and I want to record without a sound or something, then I can do that too. And I don't know if I'm speaking loud enough or not, so I'll try to change my voice a few times to see if I can see how loud I have to talk, or hear, I should say. Going 48 miles an hour. Now I'm going to open up my visor and see how loud the wind comes in. Okay. Yeah, I can barely hear myself talking right now, but close it up and see how it sounds when I close it. The sound actually bounces back off the visor, and I think it's going to sound much better. Just taking a little cruise around town. Today is May 13th, I believe. Pretty chilly outside. It's sunny, but it is pretty chilly though. I am on a 600 F4i 2001. I believe it is the first year that came out with the fuel injected in the CBR line in the F4i. I'm guessing this is considered as a super sport, even though when I tried some other people's bikes, the handlebars were way down on some of the other bikes. For example, the R6, the Kawasaki 600s. They're more sporty than this. That's why I like this one, because I actually take quite a few trips on this. And my hands don't get really tired. Now, let's go this way. My hands don't get really tired. And I am 6'3", so on some of those bikes, I'm pretty much leaned all the way forward. But with this one, I feel really comfortable. Holy shit, it's windy. Damn! We're 60 miles an hour right now. The wind is coming from this direction. My helmet is making a lot of noise. There's a for sale right there. Oh, it's actually not that bad outside. I got a hoodie and my full leather jacket, gloves, jeans, and boots. God, this handlebar is fucking... My bike is so unstable when I'm going like a high speed when I start off. It starts shaking like crazy. I think I might have to adjust my suspension a little bit. It's a little bit too stiff on the front. And I think I have a little too much air in the front tire, so it's a little bouncy. But I like it though. I like it when I take the corners. It's really good. Man, feels good to be on a bike. Somebody burning shit over here. Oh yeah. That's 70 miles an hour right there. That's highway speed. I hope I'm not yelling at the damn microphone. Oh man, he's struggling. I remember when I took a bicycle ride 30 miles away from my house in one direction and 30 miles back. I saw that dude struggling. I was like, hell no, especially against the wind. And plus he has a better bike than I did. I had a fucking mountain bike and I went 30 miles in one direction, 30 miles back. That was when I was in high school. Didn't have money. I was broke. I was hungry, thirsty. But it was good. It was a good experience though. Really good. Alright, that's it for now. See you later.